There he is, ladies and gentlemen. Notorious Diesel. Sleeping out on my favorite couch. Taking over. Snoring away. Look at this guy. Spread out. Dreaming right now. No bills. No rent to pay. No taxes to worry about. No children. No stress. Look at this guy's face. Look at this guy's face. Look at this. He's dreaming about a big nice bone. T-bone steak. Look at this guy. He's been like this for about 35 minutes now. Look at this guy. Hot dog hanging out. Spread eagle on my couch. Passed out. Instead of being outside, guarding the fence, he's here dreaming away. Look at this guy. Yep. All the women he wants. Everything. This guy. Snoring away. This is nothing. It's in dog heaven right now. Look at this guy. This little hot dog. He just got a surgery done. Now he has no more balls. Poor guy. I don't feel sorry for him, because he's on my favorite couch, and I can't watch football right now because he's sitting in my spot. Notorious Diesel. Happy hour got the best of him. One too many tequila shots. Okay, show